Scene script. Have you ever wondered why we dedicate an entire month to celebrate Black history? Well, let's dive right into it. Black History Month is much more than just a calendar event. It's a dedicated period to honor the innumerable contributions, achievements, and the rich cultural heritage of African Americans. It's a time to reflect, to learn, and to appreciate the resilience and strength that define Black history. Initially conceived as Negro History Week in 1926 by historian Carter G. Woodson and the Association for the Study of Negro Life and History, it aimed to recognize the central role of blacks in U.S. history. Woodson, often known as the father of Black history, chose the second week of February to coincide with the birthdays of Abraham Lincoln and Frederick Douglass, both key figures in the abolition of slavery. By the mid-20th century, the week evolved into a full-blown month of celebration, thanks to the efforts of students and educators across the nation. In 1976, the U.S. government officially recognized February as Black History Month, and since then, it has been celebrated annually not only in the United States but also in countries like Canada, Ireland, and the United Kingdom. The significance of Black History Month is manifold. It serves as a platform to highlight the often overlooked achievements and contributions of African Americans in various fields, from science and politics to arts and sports. It's a time to remember and honor the courage of civil rights activists who fought against racial discrimination and injustice. Moreover, it's a moment to reflect on the enduring struggle for racial equality and the continuous efforts to achieve it. It's a call to action, urging us to confront racial prejudices and biases that persist even today, and to strive for a more inclusive and equitable society. Black History Month is not just about the past, it's also about the present and the future. It's an opportunity to celebrate the diverse tapestry of experiences that make up the African American narrative, and to inspire the next generation with stories of resilience, perseverance, and triumph. Black History Month serves as a reminder of the struggles and triumphs of countless individuals who have paved the way for racial equality. Switching gears, have you ever heard of the King of the Hill? This animated sitcom, hailing from the heart of Texas, has been a part of American pop culture for over a decade. The show's unique blend of humor, heart, and down-to-earth characters has earned it a place in the hearts of millions. But what makes it especially noteworthy is its subtle but powerful influence on society and its promotion of diversity. At its core, King of the Hill is a story about everyday people living everyday lives, but the genius of the show lies in its ability to take these ordinary scenarios and infuse them with extraordinary insights. It's a show that doesn't just depict life, it reflects it, warts and all. This realism, coupled with the show's diverse cast of characters, has made it a beacon of inclusivity in the world of animation. The King of the Hill is a testament to the power of storytelling. Each episode, while filled with laughs and lighthearted moments, also tackles complex social issues from racism and sexism to environmentalism and economic disparity. It's a show that's not afraid to ask hard questions or to challenge the status quo. The characters in King of the Hill, from the hills themselves to their colorful neighbors, represent a wide range of backgrounds and perspectives. They help to challenge stereotypes and encourage viewers to see beyond surface-level differences. Whether it's Hank's steadfast work ethic, Peggy's indomitable spirit, or Bobby's unapologetic individuality, each character brings a unique voice to the table. But perhaps the greatest triumph of King of the Hill is its ability to foster conversation. The show doesn't preach or dictate, instead it invites viewers to engage, to think, and most importantly, to empathize. It's a show that understands that progress comes not from division but from understanding and acceptance, and that's where the true significance of King of the Hill lies. It's more than just a show, it's a statement, a call to action. It's a reminder that diversity isn't just about representation, it's about respect and recognition. The King of the Hill, much like Black History Month, serves as a platform to promote diversity and equality. So, how do Black History Month and the King of the Hill intersect? To answer that, we need to dive into the heart of the animated series itself. King of the Hill, a popular American television series, has been known for its unique blend of humor and poignant commentary on societal issues. Throughout its 13 seasons, the show has not shied away from addressing racial issues, often using satire as a tool to convey its message. One such episode is The Son That Got Away, where we see the character of Hank Hill struggling with his own biases. The episode doesn't just highlight the issue, but also shows us how Hank navigates through his prejudice, ultimately leading to understanding and acceptance. Another notable episode, Returning Japanese, brings us face to face with the theme of cultural appreciation. In this episode, Hank's son Bobby forms an unlikely friendship with a black classmate, leading to a series of events that culminate in a celebration of both African and Japanese cultures. But it's not just about the individual episodes. The show's creators have woven a tapestry of diverse characters throughout the series, each with their unique backgrounds and perspectives. These characters, like the Hill's neighbor Khan, who is Laotian, or their friends John Redcorn and Octavio, who are Native American and Mexican respectively, add depth to the narrative and help showcase the multicultural essence of American society. To top it all off, the show's humor, while sharp and satirical, is never disrespectful. It's a delicate balance that the creators have managed to maintain, using comedy as a vehicle to explore and celebrate cultural differences rather than ridicule them. So, you see, King of the Hill doesn't merely acknowledge Black history and culture, it celebrates it. It presents us with narratives that are both entertaining and enlightening, encouraging viewers to look beyond the stereotypes and appreciate the richness of diversity. In its own unique way, The King of the Hill celebrates Black History Month by promoting understanding and appreciation of Black culture. How does media, like The King of the Hill, influence our perception of Black history? Media is a powerful tool for shaping perceptions. It can construct narratives, challenge stereotypes, and promote understanding. When it comes to Black history, media plays a significant role in how society perceives and understands it. Shows like The King of the Hill are part of this media landscape, influencing perceptions of Black history through their storytelling. In the past, Black history was often overlooked or misrepresented in media. However, with the advent of more diverse storytelling, we see a shift in how Black history is portrayed. Shows like The King of the Hill have the ability to challenge long-standing stereotypes and offer a more nuanced understanding of Black history. They can depict the struggles and triumphs of Black individuals and communities in a way that is relatable and engaging. They can highlight the cultural richness, resilience, and contributions of Black people throughout history, which are often left out of mainstream narratives. By doing so, these shows can foster a greater appreciation and understanding of Black history among viewers. Moreover, they can inspire conversations about race, equality, and justice. They can provoke thought and encourage viewers to question their own beliefs and biases. This kind of engagement can lead to increased awareness and understanding, which are essential for promoting diversity and challenging stereotypes. Media also plays a role in shaping societal attitudes towards Black history. It can help normalize the celebration of Black history, not just during Black History Month but throughout the year. It can showcase the importance of recognizing and honoring Black history as an integral part of our shared history. In conclusion, media, including shows like The King of the Hill, plays a crucial role in shaping society's perception of Black history. It can challenge stereotypes, promote a more nuanced understanding, and foster greater appreciation and respect for Black history. As we consume media, it's important for us to be mindful of its power and influence. Media plays a crucial role in shaping our understanding of Black history, promoting diversity, and challenging stereotypes. So, why does this all matter, you may ask? Well, the crux of the matter lies in the profound significance of celebrating Black History Month and acknowledging the role of media, especially shows like The King of the Hill, in promoting diversity and understanding of Black history. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've uncovered thus far. We've delved into the essence of Black History Month, a time dedicated to acknowledging and appreciating the contributions of Black individuals to our society. It's a celebration of resilience, a tribute to those who fought against the odds, and a reminder of the vibrant culture and richness that the Black community brings to our world. Next, we introduce The King of the Hill, a media phenomenon that has played its part in promoting diversity. This show, amongst others, has been instrumental in breaking stereotypes and promoting a more nuanced understanding of the Black community. It has shown us that media can be a powerful tool in changing societal perceptions and encouraging a more inclusive society. The celebration of Black History Month with The King of the Hill is a testament to the power of media in fostering understanding and appreciation of Black history. This combination of celebration and media representation serves as a beacon, guiding us towards a society where diversity is not just acknowledged, but also celebrated. The impact of media on society's perception of Black history is undeniable. The stories we tell, the characters we create, the shows we watch, they all play a part in shaping our understanding of the world and the people around us. And when these stories and characters reflect the diversity of our society, they contribute to a culture of acceptance and understanding. So, as we draw this discussion to a close, let's take away the essence of what we've learned. As we continue to celebrate Black History Month, let us remember to appreciate the diversity and richness of Black culture, as well as the media that help promote this understanding. Let's continue to celebrate, appreciate, and understand, for therein lies the path to a more inclusive and diverse society.